What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add VPN in Android phone. First of all, you have to go to Play Store and then here search for VPN. Click first one. Here you can see multiple VPN option available. You can use any one from here like Super VPN, Secure VPN, Turbo VPN. I think this is an amazing app for connecting VPN. Now click for install. Now you can see it's installed already. Now click to open. From here click to continue. Allow. It will show you an advertisement. Skip the ads from here and close. Now click to connect. Okay. That's it. Now it's connected in a different network for your security. I think this is very helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.